Todd, what are you doing here? Is Starr all right?
Oh, yeah, she's fine. She's safe and sound at home, right where she ought to be.
Well, she certainly shouldn't be out in weather like this. What are you doing here?
Well, you know me. I like anything rotten. Manners, or movies, or weather. Wouldn't you know it, I was driving down your street and my car got stuck. You got a shovel?
Call a tow truck.
Yeah, how about a bag of salt? You got a bag of salt? No, huh? Well, I'll tell you what, I'll just stand here and I can hear how the court was right to give me custody of my daughter.
Todd.
So when you were saying that I should keep Blair away from my child, did you mean that is like a figure of speech, or should I go ahead and start digging a moat around my apartment building?
Don't listen to a word.
Why not? I've had that thought a million times.
Kelly just wants to hurt me because she's jealous.
Of you?
Yes. Me and Ian specifically, because of our business relationship. She can't stand the fact that Ian respects my business savvy and refuses to cut me out of his life.
Is she on a level here? This is all about Ian?
Kind of, but it is about me.
Isn't it always?
You know, I've worked real hard to get my life back on track this year. It's made me stronger, and it's made me grow up. I'm not the same little waify girl in college. I know what I want. I'm not real fond of people who can push me around or think they can and get away with it.
That's great. Where's Dorian?
She's in Canton, Ohio.
Not that it's any of your business.
You're kidding, right? This is the family that keeps coming after me, wave after wave, and trying to glom onto my daughter, with Dorian being the head glommer. Now, if I don't keep my eye on her and on you, I'm liable to get hit when I'm not looking. So somebody, please, tell me why Dorian and Cassie went to Ohio during the worst snowstorm in 100 years.
Sam,
No, I'm smart.
Really, there's nothing sinister going on here.
Okay. So Dorian and Cassie just decided to nip off to Ohio during the blizzard to end all blizzards.
Well, they left before they knew it was going to get bad.
Is this the party line, or is this really how it went?
I don't think anybody saw this coming. Excuse me.
Oh, don't look at me like that. I'm a paranoid,
Todd,
remember?
now tell me why you're here, and you know it's not because your car got stuck.
Oh, no, you're the one who's paranoid. I wanted to find a few things out.
About Dorian?
Yeah?
Look, she's doing the best. Look, I know that I'm in no position to ask you anything, but I really don't know what else to do here.
Could ask somebody else.
No, I can't, because you're the one that really matters here. Todd, my family's going through some troubles, and look, whatever happens and whatever Kelly says, out of jealousy and spite, just please don't hold it against me.
What? Hold it against you how?
Do I have to spell it out? You want me to beg you?
Well, I did come all this way.
All right. We both know how much Starr means to me. Okay? And whatever trouble that my family is having, just please don't use it to push her father away from me. I am begging you.
Of 98 has claimed 8 more lives as the storm moves.
Shorty's fine,
Thousands of residents of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio are without power for a
Well, I don't know why I
third
did
day,
that. I mean,
and
it's so
severe storm
not
warnings
like
have been
me.
issued for the Middle Atlantic states.
Okay, that's settled. Now what about Blair?
What about her?
Well, obviously something happened on your visit.
No, no big deal, man. I heard some wacko story about Dorian, and I went to see if Blair would tell me something about it, but...
And did she?
No. Walked in on a squabble between her and Kelly. You know, same old, same old. Can I watch TV now?
Well, there's nothing on but reports of cars stuck in the mud and stories about how miserable everyone is.
Miserable. Not so bad.
Don't. Please?
Why?
Because I feel like having some genuine human interaction.
Oh, go ahead. Don't let me get in your way.
You know, I don't even know how you can concentrate on the screen. Your shoulders are so tight, they're hunched up around your ears. Blair ties you in knots every time you are around her.
This has nothing to do with Blair. This is my natural condition.
Well, then you're naturally way too tense. You got to relax.
Well, what's wrong with tense? Tense gets things done. It's all this relaxing and interaction. It's just it's a big waste of time.
Give me that.
Hey.
Hey. TV is not what you need. I know what you need.
But what I need is for you to give me the remote back.
No. You need those muscles untied. Give me a few minutes on your neck and back, and you'll forget everything that's bothering you.
Cut it out. Look, I don't need a massage. Got a license for that?
Why don't you give yourself a little license for a change?
Oh, I don't play those cute word games, Delgado. I hate that.
Do you hate being touched? I assume you and Blair must have touched each other occasionally. Did she ever give you a massage?
You can leave that alone now.
Seriously. Don't you ever miss physical intimacy?
All right, you go find the contract, right? And you point to the part that says I got to answer questions like that. You point to the part that says I even have to listen to questions like that.
You're answering them by trying to avoid them, which is what you do every time I bring them up.
All right, so why do you keep bringing them up?
Just tell me, what is so shameful about needing physical contact? We all do. There's a mass of psychological and physiological literature to prove it. And you are human.
Where are you getting all this you stuff from?
Fine, I'll speak entirely for myself. I miss human contact. I miss warmth and closeness. I miss gentleness and urgency.
Okay. Just cut it out, right? I don't know where any of this is coming from, but I really don't want to go there.
In general or just with me?
Doesn't matter. I don't want it. I don't need it. Go to bed.
You know, the longer I live with you, the harder it is for you to hide from me. And you don't have to. Obviously, you had a physical life in the past. You and Blair conceived a child.
What is this, sex ed?
I just don't see why it has to be prohibitive. I mean, here we are, alone, about to be snowed in. Neither of us can sleep. We're even married, for Pete's sake. And I don't believe that part of you died when you divorced Blair.
You can believe whatever you want. I'm going to bed.
No. You're running away. You know, I've caught you watching me a certain way sometimes. And you know something? I like it when you do. I need you to want me, Todd. And I think you do. Don't you?
Look, I don't do feelings, okay? Yeah, it doesn't even matter if that's okay with you, because that aspect of our, quote, marriage was covered in the agreement that you signed.
Well, it doesn't forbid our getting together in that way.
We have a business arrangement, not funny business.
Well, then maybe you could consider it an investment. I mean, after all, the point of our getting together was holding off Blair. And wouldn't a real connection make us more secure as a team?
You know, I would think that $5 million would make you very secure.
Security comes from within.
Oh, look. Cleveland. You know, I see the top of the parking meters.
I noticed that you're avoiding the issue, but you're not leaving the room. Why is that?
Yeah, well, you know, I want to watch the news. This is my life.
That's very sad.
Only to you, Delgado. Just quit it, all right? Quit it. Quit it with the come on. You don't even know what you're asking for.
Now you're trying to scare me? Well, sorry, Todd. It won't work this time. Because I know more about you than you think I know. And I trust you.
You don't know a damn thing.
I know that underneath that snarl, you're very gentle. And you would never hurt me.
All right, you say that you know me, okay? And you say that you trust me. But, right, I know myself better. I don't trust me. And if you're telling me now that you're not afraid of me, then you're stupid because I'm afraid of me.
That's an attempt at a threat. I don't believe it. Look at me, Todd. Look at me. You don't have to be afraid of your feelings or of me.
All right, you want to know what I do with my feelings? I do that. I hurt people. Now, get out. Get out. Get out right now!